Hey there, John here, and it's rolling into the second half of the year now with many of you have been asking us about how to make your automation more efficient for your team or organization to achieve your internal sales targets. One of the reasons behind Cazoomi's success heading into our 40th year is that we make use of SyncApps to automate every aspect of our company. We have hit or exceeded every yearly internal sales target so far since we started as well. As daily users of software like CRM, marketing automation to finance, and software development, it makes us the biggest critics of how to improve processes that drive our own software. From marketing automation development, we manage our tasks using automation to streamline our lives. Customers often want to know how we use SyncApps to manage our own processes. Let's dive into a few of the top integrations flows we use at SyncApps to show you just how efficient you can get with your own automation. If you want to get a quick overview, see the overview video below or just keep reading. Revenue data from NetSuite to HubSpot or MailChimp. Using systems like QuickBooks Online, Harvest, and Stripe, as we grow our subscriber base from 2009 to 2014, taught us the value of integration to scale with our growing team. The incorporating NetSuite to house our financials and analytics as we scaled from 2015 to the present has allowed us to use SyncApps to get our ideal customer profile data over the MailChimp and HubSpot for efficient marketing. HubSpot and NetSuite give us the ability to map fields like the date of the first invoice, latest invoice, amount of sale, total revenue, and subscriptions for each of our subscribers. Instead of mapping fields from multiple objects like customer, contact, or invoice records, which could be complicated integrations, we just use a NetSuite transaction save search to sync the records over to HubSpot for nurturing and to MailChimp journeys for updates. Being able to map all the key fields we need from each NetSuite records to both HubSpot and MailChimp give us our marketing team a true 360-degree of the customer. When it comes to subscriptions that flow into the SyncApps website, we capture those into the platform and move the records to MailChimp customer journeys for all our trials. We also utilize SendGrid for transactional emails with our customers, which has been a lifesaver for communicating with our customers. Lastly, Slack is our go-to software for all in-house communication, which ties well with our Jira, Confluence, Zendesk support, Airtable project management, and more. Our team meets every Monday and Friday, and we always get some feedback from the team on Zoom around improving our flows for automating our own internal processes. Using SyncApps automation daily to run an iPaaS company is an absolutely joy to be doing, and we're so proud of the work we do over the past decade with insights from our customers, partners, and fans. Hope you enjoyed taking a look at our use cases as much as I enjoyed working on it. If you have yet to take our platform for a test drive, check out SyncApps now. Tip of the month. Want to have a specific category based on the customers or clients? You can enable it anytime in step 1 called segmentation feature. Let's see how it works. Once this feature is checked, then this allows you to automate over those records based on the specified segmentation on all mind-body e-commerce, going into your MailChimp audience based on the product's purchase, events, appointments, and service categories. Now, this will cut more hours of working manually on your team and organizations as SyncApps will work on this behind the scenes like a snap. Again, this is John, and this is our channel where we'll go through all the latest updates and give you a little bit of a rundown what's new inside SyncApps by Cazoomi. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss an update. Thank you so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Cheers!